Hey everyone! In this part, I'm going to show you how you can create custom stickers on your Samsung phone using the Gallery app. This is great if you want to use your own pictures as stickers for editing or even sending in chats. So let's get started. First, open the Gallery app and choose any image you want to work with. Once you have the image open, tap the pencil icon at the bottom to enter the editing mode. From here, tap on the stickers icon and then tap the gallery icon again. This takes you into your sticker library. Now, if you want to create a brand new sticker, tap the plus icon, select the picture you want to turn into a sticker. Your phone will automatically detect the subject and cut it out for you. Tap next, choose the sticker style you like, and press done. The sticker is now saved in your sticker library and placed on the image you're editing. If you want to use your new sticker on another image, just repeat the same steps. Open the picture, tap Edit, open the sticker section, and then tap your saved sticker to add it. You can resize it, rotate it, and place it anywhere on the image. If you have to ever edit or delete a sticker, go back to the sticker gallery, long press the sticker, and choose to either edit or delete it. Just remember, editing only lets you change the style. It doesn't let you recut or modify the shape of the sticker. A couple things to keep in mind. On newer Samsung devices running One UI 6, Samsung removed the manual cutout selection when making stickers. But there's a workaround. You can long press on any object in an image to copy it to your clipboard. Then open another image, tap the three dots menu, and choose Paste to place it there. You can also manually select areas using the lasso tool in the editor. Go to the Edit and then the four circles icon, the lasso tool, select the part you want, save to cutout, then long press it to save as a sticker. And that's how you create your own stickers right on your Samsung phone. No extra apps needed. If you're enjoying this tutorial, stick around because we still have more tips coming up.